Hi friends, in this video we are going to see what are all the investment documents to be kept ready after the financial year closure by salaried and self-employed individuals. This is the part 2 of the video. In the part 1 we had discussed about what is the period for the documents to be kept ready. Uh, Again, for salaried individuals, what are all the documents to be kept ready? For self-employed individuals, what are all the documents to be kept ready? That we had seen in the part 1 of the video. I clearly mentioned in the first video the last three documents, Form 26AS, AAS and TAS. Even though it would be downloaded by auditor before filing your income tax return, you also please spend half an hour to 1 hour in that three documents. It has to be downloaded from income tax website. You have to check whether all your TDS deduction are getting reflected in those three documents. Whether your income, whether TDS deducted from your salary or from your professional fees or consultancy fees or royalty or from your sale of property or your rental income. So you have to check whether all your TDS deductions are getting reflected in Form 26 AS, AS and TS. Yes, auditor would check, but you also spend because it's your TDS deduction. You please confirm yourself that whether all your TDS deductions are getting reflected in Form 26 AS, AS and TS. This is applicable to both salaried individuals and self-employed individuals. Now we will see what all the investment documents to be kept ready by salaried and self-employed individuals. CAMS plus CARVI consolidated account statement. Whoever has invested in shares and mutual funds, please download your CAMS and CARVI consolidated account statement, not shares, only mutual funds. So please download CAMS plus CARVI consolidated account statement. Please reconcile with your whatever the mutual fund holdings you have, whether all those are getting reflected in CAMS plus CARVI. I think you should have updated your PAN and email ID correctly in your folio. Then only it will be reflected in CAMS plus CARVI consolidated account statement. Please download that. Please download your DMAT account statement. Whether if you have 2 or 3 DMAT account statement, please download all your DMAT account statement. Please download trade book account statement from your trading account. Please download your order book statement. Again, I have clearly mentioned in the period also for the financial year from 1st April 2022 to 31st March 2023, like DMAT account statement for the year ended 31st March 23. Trading account statement clearly for the financial year 22-23 trading account statement, because if you are trading in shares, then whether it's intraday trading or F&O, that we have to see, and there is a different tax treatment for F&O and intraday trading and all. So we have to check that. Capital gain calculation details. If you have sold any shares or if you have redeemed any mutual funds, redeemed means sold. If you have sold any property or if you have sold any bonds, then you have to clearly have all those details: purchase date, purchase value, sale date and sale value. And if you have incurred any expenses for sale, those details also you have to keep ready to arrive capital gain calculation, whether it's a long term capital gain or short term capital gain. We have to have all those details. You have to give all those details to your auditor, because capital gain calculation little bit complicated for debt mutual funds, equity mutual funds, shares. So you have to give these details to your auditor. He will do the calculation. You have to do the indexed cost of acquisition. So please give all these details to your clearly to your auditor. He will do all the calculation and he will arrive whether it's a long term capital gain or short term capital gain. Accordingly, you have to pay the tax. Please download NSDL consolidated account statement from NSDL website. You should know your login ID and password. You have to have your login ID password in NSDL website. Please download that statement, because it is a authenticated statement for all your holdings, shares and mutual funds. So please download that statement. And if you have any CSDL number also, then download that statement from CSDL website. Again, it's an authenticated document for all your shares and mutual funds holdings. ATC and ATC-CD investment proofs, insurance premium paid receipts, life insurance premium paid receipts, housing loan principal and interest payment certificate to calculate income from house property or loss from house property. So you have to have your housing loan principal and interest payment certificate for the financial year 2022 and 23. 2022 to 23, tuition fees paid receipts, NSC public product and investment proof, NPS investment proof for to claim deduction under section 80 CCD, ATD medical insurance premium receipts. So all these investment document proof you have to keep ready for your record. See NSDL, CSDL and all CAMS plus Corby consolidated account statement, DMAT account statement. It is not. It may not be useful for your income tax filing, but you have to keep it for your future record, and you have to have your record in case of any uh, any any uh, any investment is missing in those statement in future. This record, this downloaded document will be helpful for you in future. So I have mentioned only 80D. Again, if you had availed education loan 80E, you can claim deduction under 80E. So those education loan details, interest paid, you can claim deduction under section 80E. So interest paid certificate you have to keep ready. If you have paid any donation, again under you can claim deduction under 80G, and you have to have donation receipt. You have to keep ready. So all those investment proof you have to keep ready, and you have to give it to your auditor, and it will be easy for the auditor and it will be easy for you to file the income tax return. So in the two parts we have seen what are all the documents to be kept ready after the financial year closure for both salaried and self-employed individuals. Hope it is useful. Have a happy income tax filing. Please start uh, preparing these documents or downloading these documents now itself, and please keep it for income tax filing, and please keep it for your future record. Thanks. Please watch and subscribe Investment with Yavi YouTube channel, and please share your comments and please click bell notification for future videos. Thanks.